Aloha again, everyone. Beautiful day in Hawaii. I am Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner of NextHome Paradise Realty in Kailua, Kona Hawaii. I am bringing you a unique property today because, well, first, if you're a car guy or a car person, you're going to love the five car garage. That's like completely unheard of in our market. We have a really nice property sitting on 1.2 acres. We got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs as the main suite. We have a 1 bedroom, 1 bath guest suite. We have an office with a half bath. We have some nice views, and we got a lot of space out here on an acre. There's going to be a lot to get to. We're gonna push through this as quick as we can for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I want to show you all the highlights of this house. I'm gonna tell you my 3 favorite things and the one thing I would change if this was my house. I'd love to hear what you guys think of what your favorite things are and if there's anything that you would change on this property. This is listed by Suzanne Patterson and J.R. Zendejas at Kona Resort Properties. Big thank you to them for letting me bring this to you. They're great people to work with and would love to have them on the other side of a transaction getting you into this home. So there's a lot to look at here. So first of all, I mentioned that we're on 1.2 acres. So you see this white fence going around the property. Having that over an acre is a lot of space. And there's a lot you can do. They have some citrus trees down here. I'm seeing some, looks like it's just some ornamental trees on the bottom. I think I see an avocado tree. There's a jacaranda tree over there, and that's just also ornamental way in the corner. And then some really nice flowers and stuff that they have over here. Good job on that. So you could plant more trees, some avocado and some mango, get those really going up here. And that would be really cool. So let's just start off down here in this guest suite. They do a nice job here of staining our concrete. Coming in, we got a concrete floor. Now the thing that makes this guest suite totally legal is there's not a cooking surface in here. Since there's not a second stove, it is legal by the County of Hawaii standards. You do have a sink and side-by-side refrigerator in this little living space. We come down a little bit further. We have our bedroom space. I think that's a queen-size bed that they have there. Then your own washer and dryer. So this is really a detached guest suite, so they're not going to be bothering you. Toilet over here. Shower and some storage, little closet situation there. So that's pretty nice for a guest suite. You can actually rent that out if you want. And now we're going to continue on a little bit more. It's just such a unique layout out here. Come around the corner. You know we love the outdoor showers, right? So here we go. Outdoor shower with this large 18-inch by 18-inch basalt tile. Nice job on that. And then also down here, I mentioned that we had the office. We got that down here. I think that's how they have this set up as an office space down here with a guest or the half bath there. You could wall this off if you wanted to, but they're using this as the main entrance into the home, which is up the stairs. Before I get there, this is for all the car guys out there. I'm going to show you all this. So we have one bay right here. So use it as a garage, as storage, use it as your little workout room. Got some flexibility. We got a 2-bay garage door, 2-bay garage over here, and it's long. This looks to be about 24, 26 feet. So a lot of space. We come down further, another 1-bay garage, and yet another 1-bay garage. So if you're one of these guys who has workshops or bikes, or cars, or you just want some extra space that you can convert, this is a pretty unique setup here. All right, so next we're going to head up into the main section of the house. This is being offered furnished, and they've done a really good job on a number of things up here. So modern design. So first thing I noticed is this gorgeous woodwork over here on the side. Good job on that. And really nice metal piece over in here. So we got a really large living space in here, absolutely massive. You could do a ton of different things. Let's go wide angle for a second. There's a lot of space here that you could use. I think we're looking at a good 32, 34 feet across pretty significant amount of room over here, all the way into the kitchen area and then the guest wing of the house. I'm gonna run into the guest wing and start there, work my way back. So on the Mauka side, that's the mountain side of the house, a couple windows letting in some light. Decent sized bedroom. We got a standard closet over there with some nice doors, 4-panel doors on the front. They have a queen size bed. You could very, very easily fit a king in here and have plenty of space still to even put a dresser on that side. So a lot of space in here. Got some 18-inch travertine tile with tight grout lines down below. We got our shared bathroom over here for these 2 guest bedrooms. Coming through, we got tile, 18-inch tile with nice little glass block travertine, sort of opal looking accent going across. Our tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. We do have a foot bench on the other side and then a little nook right there for your shampoo. Pretty nice on that. And then coming through to our Makai guest bedroom facing the ocean. Couple windows here. One thing I want to point out, we don't see this very common, double pane windows. Most of the time we're going to have our windows open and not have a climate control system out here, especially at this elevation. We're over 2,000 foot. It'll help keep it warm when it gets cool at night. You'll get into the 50s at night up here. But you got a great ocean view of the lot. Pretty good job on that. So the double pane windows is a bit of an upgrade for our market. So they've done a good job there. Looking at 8-foot ceilings in here. And then we come out, we got our, looks like our utility with an extra refrigerator. I like that. These Costco runs, man, you need somewhere to put stuff. So large refrigerator over here, front loading washer and dryer. Looks like we need some maintenance on that one. No big deal. And some storage. And then we have our electrical breaker box. And even this GE here matches the GE that we have over here into our kitchen now. So I can't remember what they call this stuff. It's sort of this gray look, but it doesn't hold fingerprints like stainless steel does. It's getting more and more popular. If you remember, I can't remember what that is, if you can tell me. I'm blanking on it right now. So we got our oven down below, our convection microwave up top, side-by-side refrigerator, all GE. And then coming over here, we got a 6-burner gas grill, so I know we got some propane around. Cafe is the brand. It is Caravan, so there are going to be some people around today. And then we got a good job on our granite countertops over here. And you see the grout lines, you can barely even see that, so that's some good work. The cabinets are soft close. I think I'm not sure if they're glued on here or not. With custom faces, it appears. So nice job on that. And then we also have our GE dishwasher over there in the same setup as the rest. And then over here, half a bathroom. So if you don't want to use, I guess, that bathroom when your guests are over here, they can jump in on this bathroom. So then, so we're like 34 feet or so this way. We're a good 30 feet across, and then we still have another area over here where they have the dining room set up. I might actually put a seating area over there just to take in the view, because this is pretty sharp. You got windows all the way around. We got recessed lighting, and just lets in plenty of light. And then that view that we saw in the guest bedroom, you can see out here. And then also from here, one thing I like is that you can see, and I'll go show this to you in a second, this little setup they have down here with the outdoor gazebo, sort of looks like they got an outdoor kitchen out there and a fire pit. So I'm gonna go check that out for you as well. And then let's make our way over to the owner's suite. Oh, I should have pointed out, we got about 12-foot ceilings in here, vaulted up, nice big ceiling fans. It's just a huge amount of space. Starting off here in the owner's bedroom. So we have privacy door over here for the toilet. You go straight through in here, 18-inch darker travertine than we saw in the other rooms. Still looks very sharp. And they got that on the countertops, dual basin sinks, good fixtures, 2 mirrors with frames around them that makes it look really good. A large one-person non-jetted tub. and glass side on our shower here with the looks like about 12 by 12 rainfall head and a wand, and with a bench over here, tile all the way up to the top. Next is the closet here. I'm gonna have to blur this out. There's some owner's personal belongings in here. It's about 12 feet long, maybe even a touch longer, and it's 6 feet wide. It's got some built-ins with hangers for short stuff up and down on the left side. On the right side, got a built-in for like shoes and foldable clothes, and then a lot of hangers on the right side for long stuff. So for your ladies who have your dresses. Okay, so and then now here to the owner's bedroom. Nice large ceiling fan. They've done a really nice job with the artwork and the pictures all around. Again, this is being offered furnished. The price on this currently listed $1.997, and in this market, that might be just right on. It's going to get some attention. So we got this nice large deck lanai out here, coming off the owner's bedroom, and oh wow! So we had all the parking. We had the the carport, porte cochere, whatever you want to call it. And then we have another little spot right there open, and they even stained all that concrete all the way down. And that looks like a wide concrete pathway to our outdoor kitchen. And then you see those fruiting trees there again, some ornamental trees on the back. All right, we're gonna take a quick speed walk down to the outdoor kitchen. Okay, so here we are at our outdoor kitchen. I like the setup that they have here. You could use this in a lot of different ways. Right now they have a refrigerator here. You could bring in some other things if you want to make it a little more self-sufficient. You could increase the amount of covered area that you have if you want. But like for me, not only is this a good sort of outdoor kitchen area, like you can hire your masseuse to come out here, and this is a great space for a massage. You can hang up the hammock they got over there. It's a great space for a nap. Super cool area. Looks like they got a fire pit over there. Throw some wood in, you're ready to go. Oh, we got some banana right here. And then I noticed on the walk up, they got some more banana and a lot of citrus trees going up. So yeah, get yourself orange tree, lemon tree, lime tree. I see a mango, or wow, that might even be a pear actually. Interesting. So you're up here in Kaloko, Mauka, really desirable area. People love it up here because it's above town but close to town at 2,000 foot elevation, and you're like 8 minutes from the heart of town. So my 3 favorite things about the property. Number 1 is the location. I am a big fan of this, and when you spend a lot of time here in Hawaii, I don't mean to sound dismissive, but you don't really need to be on the ocean as much as a lot of people think. A lot of times being at a comfortable area with nice views and cool breezes is really, really nice, and Kaloko Mauka gives you that. So the location is number 1. Number 2, my second favorite thing, is you're on 1.2 acres. It's nice to have the space, but it's not so much that it's unmanageable. 1.2 acres, you can live with that. Like, you can take care of that. You can plant your fruit trees that you have here and use that, but you don't have to spend 6 hours every Saturday mowing like you would if you had a big, huge riding lawnmower and 5 acres. It's a game changer at that point. You didn't buy a house, 5 acres, you bought a job. So that's a big difference. Second favorite thing, or my third favorite thing, we're on 3 now, Mike, is the woodwork that they use throughout the house here. The ohia posts that we see on the railings upstairs. That was really cool. Really like that quite a bit. Overall, the design and the age of the home, the expansiveness, how expansive the upstairs living area was. That whole thing is all in the list of my favorite. So what's the one thing I would change? You know, it's a little bit high for a pool, so I wouldn't put in a pool. You spend a lot of money heating a pool at 2,000 foot elevation, because it does stay a little bit cooler and more comfortable up here. I'm really having to pick at things. I guess I would consider, for me, converting one or two of these garages into additional living space, some sort of a, you know, man cave or whatever. But, you know, you have the flexibility to do that pretty easily because it's all already here. And if you're one of those, if you're a car guy, this is going to be, this is as good as it gets. We don't get 5-car garages out here in Hawaii. So cool. All right, I'm Mike Drutar. I hope you liked the video. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you again real soon.